Chapter number 1, Integers, Powers and Root, Exercise 1.1b. Work out the following. Question number 1a. Plus 8 multiplied by minus 6.1 into 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 six are 48. Point after one number and minus sign. B. 6 multiplied by 5.2 minus 5.2. 5.2 minus 5.2 multiplied by 6. 6 twos are 12. 1 carried over. 6 fives are 30 plus 1. 31. Point minus. Okay. First we have to ignore the plus sign. Minus 7.3 multiplied by 4. 4 threes are 12. 1 carried over. 4 sevens are 28 plus 1 29. Point after one digit because there was a point after one digit and minus sign. Work out the following. Question number 2. 4.4 into minus 5 into minus 5. 5 fours are 20. 2 carried over. 5 fours are 20 plus 2 22. There will be a point after one digit and minus because one number was minus. Minus into plus will be minus. Seven multiplied by 9.5. 9.5 multiplied by minus 7. 7 5 are 35. 5 3 carried over. 7 9 are 63 plus 3 is 66. Point after one digit and minus sign. 7 multiplied by 7.6. 7.6 multiplied by minus 7. 7 6 are 42. 2 4 carried over. 7 7 are 49. 49 plus 4 is 53.2 and minus sign. Work out the following. Question number 3. 4.5 multiplied by 2.5. Okay, here positive signs are to be always ignored. Multiplied by 2.5. 5 into 5 is 25. 2 carried over. 5 fours are 20 plus 2 is 22. 2 fives are 10. 1 carried over. 2 fours are 8 plus 1 9. 5 2 when we add this 11. Point will be here. Answer is 11.5. Next one. Minus 3.8 into 1.3. 3.8 multiplied by 1.3. 3 8s are 24. 2 carried over. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. Second step we'll put 1x. 1 8s are 8. 1 3s are 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 carried over. 4 464, but there is a digit after a point and there is a digit after a point, so we'll count this two digit 1 2. We'll count from here 1 2 and put a decimal point here. Okay, next one is 3.3 multiplied by minus 4.6. Okay, okay, 3.18 minus, this was a minus some minus number, so the answer will be minus 4.64. Okay. 3.3 multiplied by 4.6. 3 6 are 18, 1 carried over. 6 3 are 18, 18 and 1 19. We'll put the x for the next step. 4 3 are 12, 2, 1 carried over. 4 3 are 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay. We will add this both. 8 plus 0 is 8, 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 carried over 1, 2, 2 and 3 will be 5. Okay, we'll put the decimal counting from here, 1 digit, 2 digit, 1 and 2 digit. We'll put the point over here, and one of the number is minus. Plus into minus will be minus. The answer is minus 15.18. Next one, minus 2.7 multiplied by 5.25. Okay. 2.7 multiplied by 5.25. You can put a 0 over here. 5 zeros are 0, 5 sevens are 35, 5, 3 carried over. 5 twos are 10 plus 3 is 13. Next step, in the next step we'll multiply the number by 2. 2 zeros are is 0, 2 sevens are 14, 1 carried over. 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. In the third step we'll put 2x, then 5 zeros are 0, 5 sevens are 35, 5, 3 carried over. 5 twos are 10 plus 3 is 13. Now we have to add all the three numbers. 0, 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 4 and 1. Now counting the decimal. A point is over here and point is over here. 1 2 3 4. After the 4 numbers, 1 2 3 4. 14.1750. Now here the question was minus 2.7 multiplied by minus 5.25. Both the numbers are minus. Minus into minus equals to plus sign. Okay, this answer is positive. Next problem, 5.5 multiplied by 17.5. Both the numbers are minus. Minus 1.75 multiplied by 5.5. 5 into 5 is 25. 2 carried over. 5 sevens are 35 and 2 is 37. 3 carried over. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 8. We'll put the x over here. We'll get the same number if we multiply it again by 5. Okay, now add this both number. 5, 12, 16, 9. Now count the decimal. Here there are 2 digits after the point and 1. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 9.625. The first number was negative and the second number was negative. Minus into minus will be always a positive answer. So the answer is plus 9.625. Minus 3.33 multiplied by 3.3. Okay. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. In the second step, we'll get the same answer, 9, 9, 9. Add 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 10, 19, 1 carried over. Okay, now count the decimals. there are two numbers after the decimal, and in the second term there is one number after the decimal. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 point. Both the numbers were negative, minus into minus will be plus. So the answer is positive. The next sum is copy and complete this multiplication grid. I have already solved the table. You can solve it on the calculator. It's very easy. Thank you so much.